Hello friends, this is Caroline of Caroline's Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is a weekly plan with me in my Recollections vertical spiral planner for the week of May 17th through the 23rd. The kit that I'm using for this week is an old one from Glam Planner. It's a best friends themed kit. I don't remember exactly what it's called, but it is best friend themed. One of my best friend's birthday was Thursday this week, the 20th. So I just wanted to celebrate that with this kit this week. I used a bunch of fun foil, primarily silver as sort of the base foil, but then I pulled in a bunch of multicolored foil, green, pink, lots of different colors, because as you can see, this kit is very colorful, so I thought that it lent itself well to lots of different foil colors. I also did not have the glitter headers that coordinated directly with this kit because at the time that I purchased it, I did not purchase the glitter header add-on. So I had to pull in a bunch of different glitter headers from my collection, from my leftovers, which is just fine. The top row I know is from the Painted Lights collection leftovers, and then I really just pulled a bunch of other leftover random glitter headers from a bunch of different older kits that I've used in the past. So, and I think that the base of the spread turned out well. It's a little busy just because of all the different patterns and colors, but I think it turned out okay, and it is definitely festive. So, and I did try to use these larger deco pieces as icons as well. So, if you have any questions about stickers at all, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'm just going to go over some highlights from the week for the purposes of this voiceover, just because I think that's a little bit more interesting than just talking through the stickers. So, here we go. Monday, as always, is a work day, but it's mainly meetings since we have a shorter class meeting that day. On Mondays, so it is a more meeting heavy day. I do have a regular meeting with my whole class in the morning, and then I have a meeting with my pre-K team a little bit later, and then a school staff meeting early in the afternoon. I also had a few conferences scheduled for Monday. We are very close to the end of the year. As you can see, I marked in my sidebar that there are 3 weeks left of school as of the beginning of this week. So we're just finishing up the year with conferences and closing things out as far as sharing assessment results with families, talking about transitioning to kindergarten, etc. So we had a few of those this week. And I uploaded my plan with me on Monday. And I did mark cooking on Monday. I cooked a bunch this week, not just on Monday. Monday was the only day that I marked it, but I cooked a lot of HelloFresh this week. We've been getting HelloFresh for a while and really enjoying it. So I did a lot of cooking this week, which I was proud of. Tuesday morning, I had an early appointment to start our second IUI cycle. If you have missed my last couple videos, my husband and I recently experienced a miscarriage after our first IUI, so we're starting our next cycle this week. So I just had an ultrasound and blood work on Tuesday, and that was early in the morning. Wednesday, had some more conferences for the end of the year and my monthly appointment with my therapist in the afternoon. Thursday was my friend's birthday, whose honored by this spread. It was her birthday this day, and I got a chance to go out to lunch with her on her birthday, which was very nice. We went with her little baby daughter and went to get sushi on this day, which was really nice. We sat outside at a sushi restaurant that's new to me, but it was really good food. And we just got to catch up on some things, and it was a really wonderful day, and I got to spend a good portion of her birthday with her, which was nice. And getting to spend time with her daughter is always wonderful. Friday was definitely a chill day, usual day of work in the morning. The afternoon was pretty chill. I spent a bunch of time planning and working on spreads in my B6. My husband and I ordered Chipotle for dinner, and I spent a good chunk of the early evening re-watching Grey's Anatomy. I am just starting season 2. This is definitely a rewatch for me. I watched it all the way through a while ago, so before the more recent seasons came out. And we were in college. I was watching some of it as it came out live on TV, so that was a few years ago. So I'm not up to date with the more recent seasons, but I do prefer the older episodes, older seasons. So going back and rewatching that has been nostalgic but fun. So I just started season 2 again, so I just watched a little bit more of that to relax on Friday evening. Saturday was a lot of fun, but definitely tiring. Saturday, my husband and I got up a little bit early and went over to our family's house. Some family members, my husband's cousin has a wonderful wife and 2 small children, and they live near us, so we just went and spent the whole day with them. We had a late breakfast with them and had lunch with them and the kids. We played with the kids. We built multiple forts out of the couch cushions, and we played outside with their older son. We played outside behind their house for a while. I got to read with their little 2-year-old daughter, which was wonderful, and we played with toys. We built with blocks. We listened to music as a family. We chatted and caught up with the adults and played with the kids at the same time. So it was a really, really wonderful day, and we haven't been able to see them for an extended period for a while, just with everything going on with the world right now. So but we are now all vaccinated. All of us that were gathered together are vaccinated, so we felt comfortable spending the day with each other, which was really great. Sunday is the day that I am currently living now and filming. I filmed the end of this video that you're watching right now, and I'm recording this voiceover in the morning on Sunday. Today we definitely slept in after our long day yesterday. I snuggled with my kitty this morning and had my coffee and caught up on YouTube videos a little bit. Then I came in here and finished up this video, did a little bit of pre-planning for next week, and now I'm recording this voiceover that you're listening to right now. Let's see, what else are we gonna do today? We ordered breakfast, which should arrive soon. Trying to support a local or favorite local bagel shop right now. A few different restaurants in our area have closed down since everything with COVID, so trying to support local businesses for sure. So we got bagels from our favorite local bagel place, which will be arriving momentarily. Very excited. A few other things that we need to get done today. My mom is coming over for a short lunch in a little bit, and my husband's going to help her find a new computer. We're also going to order groceries and hopefully have them delivered today or sometime tomorrow. We'll also probably just do some relaxing. My husband's going to clean out our cat box, which I did mark at the bottom of Sunday. I need to finish up some laundry. I put in a load yesterday and didn't get a chance to take it out and put it away yesterday. So I'll need to do that today. And finish up this video. Hopefully our groceries will be delivered today. And then once all of our tasks are done for the day, we're just going to relax and probably watch some Scrubs or Brooklyn Nine-Nine. We just started re-watching Brooklyn Nine-Nine, and I'm watching Scrubs for the first time. My husband's seen it, but so we're watching those together, so we'll probably spend some time relaxing and watching TV since we're tired from yesterday. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna do a wiggle for you here in a second. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you had a wonderful weekend and a great week, and hope you have a great week coming up. And yeah, that's about it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, if you're enjoying my content. I hope that you like this plan with me. If you have any questions about any of the stickers that I used, feel free to leave them in the comments. Any questions for me, leave them down below. Peace, love, and happy planning, everybody. Bye-bye.